Definitely hit something. That's a good fish right there. Stay on, dude. Yeah, there we go. Solid. Hey, what's up, Cajun Country? West Coast Cajun here, back with another bass fishing adventure. I'm out at Celebration Park today, guys. It is 60 degrees out right now. I tested the water. It was about 52 degrees, the hottest that I saw today. Doesn't mean it's not warming up a little bit more in other spots. You know, usually I just come out here and I start chucking Ned rigs and I just catch fish and I just kind of let you guys know what I'm doing. Today, I'm gonna drop a little knowledge on you guys, all right? Get a pencil, get some paper, listen up close. This is for real. It is the first week of March. We have a full moon going on right now, 60-degree weather. This triggers a lot of things, guys. First of all, the bass, anytime there's a full moon, it triggers that spawning instinct. It's definitely too cold for that to happen right now, but those largemouth and smallmouth, they start coming up a little more shallow, and they start trying to get fat, and they're just getting ready to lay those eggs, and you know, even the males are gonna start getting fat so that they can hang out and they can protect the nest, because they won't do a whole lot of eating during that time. Another thing about the full moon, guys, that also triggers the crawfish. So we've got muddy water, full moon, hoping the bass are up shallow. I'm throwing crawfish colors all day long. There's no reason not to, especially in the murky water. Anything black and red is really gonna stick out. So all those pieces put together, we got warm water, crawfish moving, bass are looking to eat crawfish. They really need those the shell off the crawfish. It helps make a nice hard protective layer around the eggs. You know, they're not like chicken eggs, but they still need a little casing on them to keep them safe. And all the protein and the calcium that is needed for those comes right out of that crawfish shell. So that's what's going on today, guys. We're gonna go out there, we're gonna power fish all day long, gonna check that chatterbait, and we're just gonna see what happens. Should be a really good video, guys. This is the time of year, if you're gonna get out here and you want to catch some big bass, this is when it happens. Hey guys, like I always say, I really appreciate you. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Shoot me a comment. Let's see how many likes we can tally up on this video. You know, I like seeing those likes, makes me feel good. Besides that, guys, it's nice and warm. I'm ready to go. Let's go rip some lips. West Coast Cajun saying keep those lines tight. I'll see you on the water. Here we go. Better. Not that big. I'll take anything at this point though. Get over here. Nice. Take it. Slowed it down a little bit. Dude, they're choking it when they eat it. Yeah, it's down there. Holy cow. Come on. Whew. All right. Not too bad. Thank you, little buddy. Playing. I needed that. Been a little while. Peace. Nice, he's out. Dude, maybe I just gotta slow it down a little. They seem to be in pairs. Let's see if there's another one sitting right there. Now my fingers are cramping up. Sucks. It's part of my injury. Whole left arm died. We weren't sure if it was going to come back at all. It did. But it's not. It's maybe like 60% if I'm lucky, especially the fingers. The fingers are at like 35 maybe. Not happy about that. He might be a little better than the other one. And pairs, right? Didn't I say something about pairs? There's his buddy. Oh yeah. Stop. Nice. He's dark. This is the second one that I've seen with this thing going on right here. Oh, that's just a smallmouth feature, it looks like. Looks like a male. Oh, let's see here. Let's roll a few more over there. Let's roll a few more over that point. It's almost like they just moved up on there because, ooh, fish flop. You're going back in, dude. Don't you dare worry. Don't you worry. All right, let's try that again. Ooh, Prespawn. Snake River. Thank you, Jesus. Get. All right. Well, they seem to be right there. Let's see if there's a third one. Let's check the braid just in case. Looks like. Foul hooked that guy, but I got him. He's still eating it. Come here. Backside of the gill plate. Didn't hurt him or nothing. Didn't touch the gills. All right, little buddy. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Whew. Gonzo. when those blackbirds start nesting, man. I know, because I think in Florida the bass will fatten up on the blackbirds. Sounds stupid, but it all happens around the same time. I can't remember if it happens pre-spawn or post-spawn, but California it happens too. Get yourself a black jig if you can get back in those reeds. Crazy cool. All right, couple casts here and we're hiking back. Gonna gear down, have a snack, make a move. No, I thought that was a fish. It might have been. Definitely hit something. That's a good fish right there. Stay on, dude. Yeah, there we go. Solid chatterbait, baby. That's a good fish. There we go. That feels like what I lost earlier. Oh yeah. Get a little weight on him. I'm thinking 2.5. Let's see here. This has to be quick. See what we got here. Slow rolling that chatterbait. 2 pounds. 195. Dang. They always feel so much better than they are. 2-pounder though. Alright, let's get a good release on this guy. See if we can get a couple more. All right, big 2-pounder on the chatterbait. Thank you, Jesus. See ya. Oh yeah. Another one. Come here, Tud. Come here, Tud. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Man, you think they want that thing? Look at that. Another 2-pounder. I got you, dude. Hold on. Get a little finger in the mouth. Help you out. Chunky, chunky. Let's get back on it. Thank you, Jesus. Prespawn, baby. I love it. Get out there. Get. All right, I'm gonna stick to the shoreline. Seems to be where they're at. And I'm gonna retie my braid because it's been playing games with the rocks here. Braid is not great for the rocks, but I got 50-pound on, so I think I'll be okay. Unless I hook into a sturgeon. It feels pretty good. There we go. Hell yeah. That's a good one. Whew, that's fun, man. I tell you what. Thank you. She's two. See what we got here. 195, 194. We did not break two. 194. Bunch of 2-pounders today. I'll keep doing it. I keep tossing it. Thank you, Jesus. Beautiful fish. Yeah. All right, nice 2-pound smallie. Prespawn on the jackhammer. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Mr. Bass. Peace. I am loving the chatterbait bite. I love power fishing. I was so sick of the Ned rig. Let's go. I beat the crap out of this thing. Guess it was worth the money. Yeah, see if there's another couple in there. Remember, they like being in pairs. There he is. I knew he was down there somewhere. Stupid little guy. I knew he was in there. Where's your big brothers at? You were in there somewhere, though. All right, little buddy, thanks for playing. Oh, the little largies are up shallow. That's the second one. I don't really want to catch you guys unless you're big. Get back in there, bro. You would think the big ones would be up shallow first. Maybe it's a time of day thing. That's a good one, whatever it is. Nice. Hell yeah. Ooh. Nice. I thought something was hitting it over there. Sick. Thank you, Jesus. Got another one. See if there's a couple more out in there. Let's find a good spot here. All right, thank you, Jesus. Prespawn, baby. Snake River. All right, see ya. Peace. There he goes. Yep. Yep. They wanting the crawdad, baby. Sick. Nice one. Another 2-pounder. They're close. Bleeding a little bit. Let's get him back in there. Quick, quick, quick. Thank you, Jesus. Be okay, dude? Oh, yeah, you're good. Gonzo. There he goes. He was sitting there the whole time just staring at the rock. I wonder if they're following it or if I'm just stopping it in front of them and they're like, bam. I mean, I saw that one chase one out from a rock, but there we go. Oh, I lost him. That was a largemouth, son of a bitch. Damn it. He hit that rock. And that was a decent one too. That sucks.